Are you planning to work or settle in the UK? Well, major immigration changes are coming your way, and they could completely reshape your chances of getting a skilled visa from 2026. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, your trusted source for the latest updates on UK immigration, visas, and global opportunities. In today's video, we're unpacking a huge announcement from the UK government. From January 8, 2026, the English language requirements for skilled migrants are being raised to an A-level standard. We'll cover exactly what's changing, which visa categories are affected, how this could impact your career prospects, and what experts are saying about it. So make sure you watch until the end to understand how these new rules might shape your journey to the UK. Let's start with the core update. The UK Home Office has officially raised the minimum English proficiency level from B1 to B2, aligning it with the A-level standard. In simple terms, applicants will now need to demonstrate stronger speaking, reading, writing, and listening abilities, proving that they can communicate confidently and integrate smoothly into British life and workplaces. This move is designed to ensure that new arrivals can participate more effectively in society and contribute to the economy with minimal language barriers. This new rule will apply to several key immigration routes, including the skilled worker, high potential individual, HPI, and scale-up visas. According to official figures, more than 40,000 workers entered the UK through these routes by mid-2025. Now, with the higher language bar, the government aims to make sure that future entrants are well prepared for life and work in the UK. These updates are part of a broader immigration overhaul, outlined in the latest white paper, which also includes proposals to restrict graduate visas and reduce their duration. Tougher language requirements, combined with new conditions for adult dependents, are projected to reduce immigration by around 6,000 people per year. The government says this change is intended to balance the need for skilled labor with a stronger focus on integration and social cohesion. Interestingly, while some policies are tightening, others are expanding. The UK plans to double the number of eligible universities for the HPI visa, raising the annual application cap from 1,250 to 8,000 by 2026. This means more graduates from world-leading institutions will have the opportunity to work, innovate, and eventually transition into the Innovator Founder visa, strengthening the UK's position as a global hub for talent and innovation. Reactions to this announcement have been mixed. Experts such as Dr. Mylene Sumption from the Migration Observatory at the University of Oxford recognize that advanced English skills can improve integration. However, she also cautions that the stricter requirements could make recruitment harder in technical and middle-skilled sectors. Employers in industries like healthcare and construction are already expressing concern about potential staff shortages as a result of the tougher rules. In summary, the UK's decision to raise English language standards reflects a broader policy shift, prioritizing controlled migration, stronger communication, and deeper integration into British society. While these measures are expected to enhance productivity and cohesion, there are still concerns about how they might affect the availability of skilled workers and the country's overall economic growth. For full details and expert analysis, check out the link to our website in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on global immigration and visa news. Until next time, stay informed and stay prepared.